Hello friends, welcome to Jobs Now India. Today we have discussed about the job notification from the IAF, Indian Air Force. Indian Air Force is a government organization comes under defense sector. They releases a job notification for various posts like HQ Maintenance Command, HQ Eastern Air Command, HQ Southeastern Air Command and independent units. We are going to see all the requirements regarding this job. If you are having the qualifications like matriculation, graduate means, watch the video till end. Before entering to the video, if you are seeing our channel first time, please subscribe us and follow us on social medias. Let me start the video. Indian Air Force is concerned under defense sector and the applications are invited from eligible Indian citizens for the requirement of following Group C civilian post. The eligible candidates may address their application to the connected stations or unit. The detailed posts are described below. The first 18 posts described here is comes under Headquarters Maintenance Command IAF. Then Headquarters Eastern Air Command IAF having the post of total number of 8. Then 2 number of HQ Southwestern Air Command IAF. Then 1 vacancy in independent units IAF. The vacancy described here is according to the caste or category wise. Then the persons with benchmark disabilities is given here. The candidates with the PWT must read this one. Then age limit for this post is 18 to 25 years. Then the age relaxations are given for OBC 3 years, for SAST 5 years, for PWT candidates 10 years. Then condition for ex-servicemen is given here. For SC/ST OBC candidates applying against the unreserved post are not entitled to any relaxation in the age limit, experience, etc. Then for the departmental employees, unreserved 40 years, OBC 43, SC/ST 45. The age relaxation for all eligible candidates is per government instructions. Then we have discussed about the educational qualification and the pay scale for each post. For the post of superintendent store is the pay scale is level 4 and the educational qualification is graduate from a recognized university or equivalent. For LDC level 2 pay scale and the qualification required is 12th class from the recognized board. And the typing skill also need 35 word per minute in English or 30 word per minute in Hindi on computer. For the storekeeper level 2 pay scale and the qualification is 12th class or equivalent qualification from a recognized board or university. For cook honorary grade the pay scale is level 2 and the qualification required is matriculation from a recognized board with a certificate or diploma in catering, 1 year experience in trade. Then the painter the pay scale is level 2 and the qualification required is 10th pass from a recognized board or institute. For carpenter the pay scale is level 2 and the record qualification is 10th pass. For coppersmith and sheet metal worker pay scale is level 2 and the required qualification is 10th. For AC mechanic level 2 pay scale and the required qualification is 10th from a recognized board. For the fitter level 2 pay scale and the required qualification is 10th pass. For housekeeping level 1 pay scale is required and the qualification is matriculation pass or equivalent qualification. For the laundryman and mess staff MTS all are required, the qualification is matriculations. For the tailor 10th pass from a board or university. For tradesman mate level 1 pay scale and the record qualification is matriculation pass. For Hindi typist level 2 pay scale and the record qualification is 12th class pass from a recognized board. Then we have to discuss about the mode of selection. The eligible candidates will be required to appear for written test. The written test will be based on the minimum education qualifications. The syllabus are described here. The candidates must read all the instructions. Then the last date for this post is 30 days from the applications of advertisement in employment news. Then the instructions about how to apply is given here. Candidates must to read. Then the general instruction, then COVID-19 instruction also given. Then this is the application form. The application form link is given below in the description box. Candidates are requested to download this application form in the description link. Thank you.